Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Quick video for you today. I'm actually going to be taking off this wheel here and inspecting the brake pads. So I figured I'd make a quick video on how to do, how to access your brake pads essentially, and swap them out if you're doing the change. I recently changed them, and this one in particular is making a bit of a squeaking sound. So I figured I would inspect it and check it out and see if there's anything, that I noticed that might be causing that. I'm sure everyone knows how to do their brake pads, but I figured if you don't, this might help you out. So I'm gonna get the car up on jack, and then we're gonna take the wheel off. Then what we're gonna need is a 14 mil socket. So this is your rotor, your hub, and your brake caliper, and then in behind here is the brake pads. This metal shim is on the outside of each pad. This is your caliper, it's the bracket. So pretty much to change your brake pads, this is the area we're gonna be working in. Just take out this 14 mil bolt at the bottom of the caliper bracket here. So now you'll notice that this entire piece here can slide all the way up like that. And now we can gain access to the pads here. They just slide out like that. So you saw very quickly how easy it is to pull the brake pads out, and putting them back in is pretty much the exact same way, just the opposite. So you want to lift this up, take one of your pads, line it up in the slots, make sure the brackets are all going the way they should. There we go. There's one pad in. Then I'm gonna put this one in on the other side. And I'm gonna slide this back down, and we're good. We can put the bolt back in. So that's how easy it is to change your brake pads. Literally takes like 5 to 10 minutes if all your bolts come out smoothly. If it's the first time you're doing it and they're rusty, you're gonna wanna use like a liquid penetrating oil in those bolts, let them sit for like at least 15 minutes, then try and get them out. It's pretty easy to do it yourself here in your garage. So hopefully this video might help at least one person out there. If it did, I'd be really thankful if you left a comment down below. As always guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.